Hey guys, look what came today. It is the new April Tonic craft kit, and it's only the 6th of the month. Now, I know I live close to Tonic, like 20 minutes away, but sometimes they are slow getting them out, but not this time. So I am pretty excited, and it is a fairly heavy box this time. So let's crack it open and see what we've got. I don't even remember what this one is, though. It seems to me by the time I get them, I don't remember what any of them are until I look at them. So let's see what it is. Let's take a look at the sheet here. Wildflower Garden, if you're still counting, and they are counting again, it's number 54. Oh yes, look, it's the one that has the window, the pane window, the open window, and then the gate. Oh, this was a cute one. It is a cute one. Wildflower Garden. All right, so we've got stamps. Let me get a piece of paper here. All right, so we've got little flowers and little plants and little pots to go in front of the window or the gate. Brickwork. This says, wishing you a bright and beautiful day. Oh, that's just a nice sentiment in general for anything. Wishing you a bright and beautiful day. I like it. More little flowers. And Wildflower Garden. This looks like the main. All right, so this is the window. I don't know what those are called, but they're awfully pretty. And then this is a full gate. And then this is the partial gate with the arbor-like thing overhead. And then let's see what we got here. Oh, we've got some different windows. Okay, that's the window that has a cutting edge. So that's the window that opens up. This is the cutting edge. I'm pretty sure that we'll go with this. And then this is the arch over the door, the planter boxes, and the flowers that go with the stamp set. The little sign, this one says welcome, and this one says home. Little flowers, and then the little butterfly. This is really nice. Oh, and look at all the leaves and plants and little grass for the planter boxes. Nice, very nice. All right, so let's put this back away. In fact, let's take this box and move it out of the way for now. So it looks like, yep. This one's come with another binder, which is great. So we got that. There's a card in here. It's Tonic Studios Kit Subscribers Exclusive Deal. Okay, so these are only for Kit subscribers only, it says. 1 voucher per transaction and cannot be used in conjunction with the TCK or any other code. So if you are a member, a subscriber, you use the code TCK, you get 10% off. But you can't use that if you use these. And this one is $10 off, $40 or more. 4 adhesives for the price of 3. 20% off mirror card. And $5 off when you spend 30 or more. So that's nice because if you spend $30 and you got your 10% off, you get $3. Here you get 5. So it's worth not using that code. And I don't see an expiration date on them. So bonus, all right. Okay, so right off the top here, we have cinnamon stick. And is this in... I don't know if this is an aqua pen. Oh, well, wait. The card will tell us. Hold on. It will tell us. All right. So we got the Gates and Garden stamp set, Gates and Garden die. This is... Aquaflow. No, Aquaflow Arabian Nights. Is that what that says? No, mine doesn't say Arabian Nights. I thought maybe I was crazy there. Mine says cinnamon stick. Yep. Mine's cinnamon stick, and this says Arabian Nights, but it does say Aquaflow, so I'm sure. Oh yeah. Well, if I'd read the other side, it does say Aquaflow. Silly me. All right, moving on. This is the dual-ended blender brush, and you know, I have something like this, but I've never used it. This is different though. This is definitely different. So this will be interesting to try out. It's kind of a coarse brush. All right. Oh, I can see why it was heavy. There's card blanks and envelopes in bright white, and there's 10. And they're A6, so A6s. Oh, 6.5 by 4 1/4. All right, so let's get to the goodie bag. Let me get some scissors. Oh, let me put these away so I don't lose them, because you just don't know what's on the other side of both sides of my desk. It's chaos. All right, so let's see what we got here. A little tiny bottle of something. A little tiny bottle of crystal glaze. All right. Let's see what else we've got. So, a big bottle. This is a really pretty color. Crystal drops in pink orchid. That is a gorgeous color. That'll be pretty. Let's see what this is. This is Embellishment Mousse. And what color is this? Indian Gold. Indian Gold. That's pretty. And then, last but not least, oh my goodness. Look at this. This is a full bottle. Oh, look at that. Pure Sheen Glitter and Purple Shimmer. Now you know how much I love this, because you know how much I love purple. Look at how pretty those two are together, the orchid and the purple. Oh my. Oh yes. All right, so that's it for the goodie bag. Let's tuck those away. And let's get to the paper. I do love that they've got the paper in this folder now, because when they used to cram it into the manila envelope, mine always got bent, always. So I'm pretty happy they're doing it this way now. So let me get the little list going. Seems like a lot of paper in here this time. All right. This is 2 sheets. This must be the Wildflower Garden, which is, it's kind of a goldish yellow color with leaves on it. This one, not anywhere close to as soft as this side is. Then we've got pearlescent card. There's a lot of mirror card in this pack. But let's find the pearlescent. Here we go. Lemon luster. Oh. Is that lemon luster? Because it's looking pretty much like gold to me, but most of the other ones of these are either plain or, oh, that must be lemon luster. Okay, pearlescent card in lemon luster, and then we should have a pearlescent card in black onyx. It's looking like a bumblebee right here. Iridescent mirror card in Firestone Red. Mirror card. Mirror card in Pink Chiffon. This is so pretty. I love that shade. Mirror card in Holly Green. Mirror card in Classic Black. Classic card in Pine Tree. Avocado. And Amethyst. Those are all very pretty. Very pretty. All right, so that's these mirror card and pearlescent. Alright, so that's everything in the kit. So let's take a look here at the little sample pictures. So they've got the window that opens up. Look at the little lawn and the little flower pot, little ivy growing out of it. And they've got that window with the round top. And other little planters and butterfly. Then they made a tag out of this little half gate one with the arbor going over. So that's a real nice one. So that's it. 54. Number 54. I really like it. So if you leave me a comment if you are a subscriber, if you've gotten your kit already, if you've done anything with it. I've been super busy, so it's going to take me a while before I get to actually making something from this. But I'm anxious too, because I love the colors, and I just love these different windows and the gates. So, but leave me a comment. Let me know. Leave me a comment if you subscribe to them. You can pick them up individually too. You don't necessarily have to subscribe, though. It does cost you or save you a few dollars every month. So, all right, well, that's it for this time. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you spending any time on my channel. And I mean that from, my bottom of my heart. I really appreciate it. It's a tiny little channel, but it's growing slowly, and that makes me happy. And I've been getting a lot of comments recently and feedback, and so that makes me happy too. So, let me know in the comments. Also, let me know if you've picked up anything recently from Tonic. I talked myself out of a couple of the newest things, just because I've been so busy, and I did quite a bit of shopping after I did that, the 3-day event that I attended. So I have to be good. Or I keep telling myself that. I'm trying, but as a crafter, it's hard sometimes. So, all right, so that's it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. If you're thinking about subscribing, please hit that subscribe button, that like button. That I would greatly appreciate that too. Until the next time, stay safe, stay well, and happy crafting. Bye-bye.